Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the one password. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Google Chrome. After going to the Google Chrome, as you can see now we have opened the one password website. So you also have to open the website in the same way. And after opening the website, as you can see, has an option for the get started. So we have to click on the get started. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, if you want to try a new password manager, you can also use this. But I'm going to cut this one. So we firstly, as you can see now, these packages are provided here. If you want to choose one of them, you can also do that. So but I'm going to use try one password business for free. So let's click on this. If you want to use the business one, you can also do that. So you have to click on this option. So as you can see, has a create your account. So firstly, we have to create our account, but I'm going to back again. And after going to the back, here's an option for the sign in. So I'm going to click on the sign in. So as you can see, has an option for the create a new account. So we have to click on the create a new account option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, you have to choose that which package you want. For example, if you want to use this one, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the try for free for 14 days trial. You will get this. So you have to click on this. Let's click on it. And after clicking on this, as you can see, if you want to add this as an extension, you can also add that. But I'm going to click on the edit later. Let's click on the skip. And here we have to provide the email address and the name. So as you can see, now I'm going to provide the email address and the name. So simply we have to click on this. Let's click on this and let's click on the next. And after clicking on the next, as you can see, now we have to provide the code which we will get on the provided email address. So as you can see now the code is here. I'm going to copy this code and we have to paste that. And let's click on the next. So as you can see now we have to click on the next again. And here we have to provide the password. So I'm going to write the random password like this one. Let's click on this and then click on the next. But we have to provide the password the more than 10 characters. So let's use this password and then click on the next. As you can see, if you want to add a gift card as the payment method, you can also do that. If you want to create account and add payment method later, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this option. And after clicking on this, as you can see, our account will be created. So in this way, you can create your account on the one password website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.